Hello friends, welcome back to another important video of electrical equipments. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the complete information about an ammeter. So what is an ammeter and what is the working principle of an ammeter and how we can extend the range of an ammeter. All are going to discuss in this video in a very proper manner, so please watch till the end of this video because this video is going to be very important for you guys. Okay, so please watch till the end of this video. So let's start the video without taking much time. So an ammeter is an instrument which measures either the direct current or the alternating current in amperes. Okay, all the current value will be in amperes, and also it will measure both AC and DC value of the current. Okay, ammeter can measure a wide range of current values because at high values only a small portion of the current is directed through the meter mechanism. Okay, so it always remind that it will measure, the ammeter will measure the current value in a wide range. Okay, remember this thing. So if we want to measure the current in any circuit, then we have to connect an ammeter at the branch in which we have to find the value of current. Okay, so whenever we want to measure the value of current, that may be DC or AC, then you have to connect an ammeter to measure that value of current in that circuit or in that branch. Okay, ammeter was invented by Friedrich Drexler in the year of 1884. Okay, it was invented by Friedrich Drexler. Okay, so ammeter can supply multi-range value of current by connecting a shunt resistance to it. Okay, we can connect a shunt resistance to increase the value of the current at the output section of an ammeter. Okay, so an ammeter can be made by connecting a galvanometer and also a resistor known as a shunt resistor in parallel. Okay, always shunt resistor is connected in parallel to the ammeter. Okay, so to make an ammeter in this way, the resistance of the shunt must be much less than the resistance of the galvanometer. Okay. So it's telling that to make an ammeter in this way, the resistance value of the shunt, that means the shunt resistance value, should be much less than the resistance value of the galvanometers. That then we can make vary the value of current in the circuit. Okay, so range of an ammeter can make vary by using the shunt resistor in the parallel way. Okay, so this is the symbol you can see in the image. This is the symbol for an ammeter, and we have already talked in this video that all the concept of ammeter. So what is an ammeter and how it works actually, and how we can change the range of an ammeter in the circuit. So it's all about the ammeter. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.